Jeepers! It's time for another FUNcast from visitmysmokies.com, and I'm your Smoky Mountain Meteorologist Paul Poteet. And thousands of Jeeps are hanging out in the Smokies as we head toward the weekend. It's all located in the LeConte Center in Pigeon Forge, the nerve center of the Jeep invasion that goes on from Thursday through Saturday, 9 to 5 daily at the LeConte Center. A reminder that the Dollywood theme park is now closed on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're in that part of the season. Splash Country is now open on weekends. I bet it's going to be busy this weekend. Highs hitting the mid-90s on Saturday, and the full forecast just about a minute or so away. The following item is presented in living color on Visit My Smokies. It is the Crayola experience that's coming to the Smokies. Yes, the Crayola people are involved in this. The Crayola experience will move into what used to be the Smoky Mountain Opry along the Parkway in Pigeon Forge near Wonderworks. The 30,000 square foot entertainment center features over 20 different hands-on attractions like naming your own Crayola crayon color, creating your very own coloring page, and learning how to make melted wax art. They will also, once they open, have a retail store with the world's largest selection of Crayola products and souvenirs. It's scheduled to open in the fall of 2024. And yes, I said fall. That means even more color in the Smokies in future falls. Mother Nature will get out the 64-pack soon around the Smokes with colors from burnt sienna to pink sherbet to jazzberry jam. Book that cabin now and be ready for our colorful fall in the Smokies. Click Stay from the main menu of visitmysmokies.com. Well, the colors lately have been mainly hazy blue around the Smokies. Look at this big ridge over the middle of the country. That's rainfall. It's been kept to a minimum under that big old ridge, which will break down as we head into the coming weekend. And that means finally some rain chances that you may have to work around on Saturday in the afternoon. Our next best chance of seeing showers and storms will come on Sunday. That'll put an end to our run of 90-degree days. It will also be a little less humid next week, and it looks like, generally speaking, highs next week will be into the 80s after all the 90s we've seen this week. Back again, you'll see another update soon from visitmysmokies.com.